Sony has recently launched its BRAVIA 5 series 4K mini LED TVs, offering a premium viewing experience with screen sizes up to 85 inches and even a 98-inch model in some markets like the US. Here is a breakdown of the key features, specifications and availability. Key features: mini LED backlighting. This is a significant upgrade from traditional LED TVs using thousands of tiny LEDs with precise local dimming, powered by XR backlight master drive for enhanced brightness, contrast and deep blacks, approaching OLED-like picture quality. 4K resolution 3840 into 2160 pixels delivers sharp and detailed images. 120Hz refresh rate ensures smooth motion, particularly beneficial for fast-paced content like sports and gaming. AI XR processor. Sony's advanced processor with AI and cognitive intelligence optimizes picture quality in real time, enhancing color, contrast and clarity. It includes features like XR backlight master drive for precise control of the mini LEDs, XR contrast booster 10 for superior contrast, XR Triluminous Pro for a wider spectrum of naturally beautiful colors, XR clear image minimize noise and motion blur. Gaming features designed with gamers in mind, especially PlayStation 5 users, with support for HDMI 2.1, 4K added, 120Hz variable refresh rate, VRR, auto low latency mode, ALLM, auto HDR tone mapping, game menu 2 for easy access to settings. Audio features: acoustic multi-audio synchronization, sound with on-screen action. X balanced speaker reduces distortion for improved sound resolution. Voice Zoom 3 enhances dialogue clarity using AI. Support for Dolby Audio, Dolby Atmos and DTS-X, 40W total audio output. Smart TV capabilities runs on Android TV with the Google TV interface, built-in Google Assistant for voice control. Access to Google Play Store for various apps: Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, Apple TV, etc. Built-in Chromecast and Apple AirPlay or HomeKit support. Studio calibrated mode includes Prime Video calibrated mode, designed to deliver picture quality as intended by creators. Design features a one-slit design with a flush surface and a two-way stand for flexible placement. An eco-friendly voice remote made from recycled plastic is also included. Screen sizes and pricing. India launch prices are approximately and may vary. The Sony BRAVIA 5 series is available in 4 main screen sizes in India. 55-inch K, 55XR, 55A, approximately 1,37,740. 65-inch K, 65XR, 55A, approximately 1,73,840. Availability to be announced for some markets. 75-inch K, 75XR, 55A, approximately 2,84,990. 85-inch K, 85XR, 55A, approximately rupees 4,17,990. A 98-inch model K98XR50 has also been noted in some regions, price around 5,999.99 USD. Availability: the Sony BRAVIA 5 series launched in India on June 26, 2025 and is available through Sony Centers, major electronic stores and e-commerce platforms. Reviews and impressions. Initial impressions of the BRAVIA 5 series are largely positive, highlighting impressive picture quality. Reviewers note the brightness and contrast improvements over previous models, with the mini LED backlight delivering deep blacks and vibrant colors that can rival more expensive OLEDs in certain aspects. Excellent for gaming. The gaming specific feature and 120Hz refresh rate make it a strong contender for console gamers. AI powered enhancements. The XR processor's ability to intelligently upscale content and reduce noise or blur is appreciated. Good value. Positioned as a strong mid-range offering, the BRAVIA 5 seems to bring advanced mini LED technology to a more accessible price point. Overall, the Sony BRAVIA 5 series 4K mini LED TVs appear to be a compelling option for those seeking a high-quality home entertainment experience with advanced picture and sound technologies, particularly for HDR content and gaming across a range of large screen sizes.